This customer came in, he wanted to get it fully detailed on the outside. We're going to throw an interior for him just so, because he's storing it away. Why not come to the springtime with a fully clean car? So we're going to throw the inside for him on us. We're doing the full outside for him to get the paint perfect, close to perfect, because he does track this. There is some rock pitting and stuff on the front end. We're going to be getting this cleaned up for him so he can store away from winter. So we're going to be cleaning up the paint. We're going to be doing a full playboard treatment, getting it all dried up. Then we're going to start our paint correction process. We're going to just do a one-step polish on this because there's no bad swirls or scratches on this. He just wants this paint to shine so he's able to store it away for the winter. So I'm going to start off with the wheels. I'm going to get the wheels all cleaned up first, and then I'm going to work on the body. I'm going to foam it, let it sit for a little, rinse, foam it, iron, clay, rinse, and so forth, just to make sure this paint is good before we get any polishing pad on it and mess up the polishing pad with any debris that's stuck to the paint. So we're going to start with the wheels, work onto the paint, and then move forward from there. We're just wrapping up this Corvette. We already completed the outside. The outside is protected. It has a ceramic sealing on because this is our level 2 detail package. He just wanted the whole car paint corrected, so getting those swirls out. The light ceramic sealing on top. This package also comes with an engine bay cleaning, so we took care of that. Engine bay is looking all nice and clean. Along with the inside, we did inside interior detail. Door jambs all clean. This is our level 2 package. This customer is ready to go. This thing is completed. This thing looks beautiful. It's ready to be parked in the garage till next springtime. If you guys are looking to get this service, please give us a call or stop by the shop. Speak to me, Josh. I could definitely give you a quote on this package for your vehicle.